It appeared at first like another faint traveler, a small dot gliding into the solar system. Astronomers catalogued it as 3 Atlas, another distant body moving through space without notice. Yet the closer it came, the stranger it seemed. Its speed felt wrong, its glow unnatural, and its movements hinted at intent rather than randomness. By the time the James Webb Space Telescope focused on it, old rules about comets and asteroids no longer worked. 3 Atlas wasn't behaving like any known object. This was never truly a comet. Its shape, chemistry, and path were all different, and its purpose seemed unknown. Scientists quickly noticed its orbit was hyperbolic, marking it as an interstellar visitor like Oumuamua before it. But unlike other interstellar objects that zip across the system and vanish, this one slowed down. It slipped into the thin plane where planets orbit the Sun, a move so precise it defied chance. Its path looked like a dart thrown across the galaxy hitting a moving target. It didn't seem like coincidence. It felt like aim. Then came course corrections. 3 Atlas slowed, then sped up, tilting as though scanning its environment. Natural objects don't do this. Comets vent gases, asteroids tumble, but this one was too smooth, too careful. It wasn't drifting. It was arriving. Webb's scans revealed more. Instead of water vapor and dust, it released metallic fragments with chemical structures unknown in nature. The heat signature was uniform, as though it was regulating itself from within. Beneath its haze, Webb glimpsed smooth planes and right angles, shapes that don't occur naturally in space rocks. It was not chaos. It was structure. It was design. Could it be an ancient probe or something far beyond our physics? No one could say for sure. Then came the signal. At first, it was dismissed as noise, but soon multiple observatories confirmed a low-frequency pulse from the object. It wasn't a pulsar or any known source. It was local, and it was changing depending on who listened, adapting like a living thing. Eye models fed with the data began to recognize patterns and logic, hinting at communication. It seemed to be learning from us. Secrecy followed. NASA removed entries from public logs. ESA gave vague statements. Leaks suggested the object had been tracked longer than admitted. The signal itself overlapped with human brainwave frequencies linked to dreams and intuition. Researchers exposed to raw data reported shared visions and recurring symbols. Was it communication or something deeper? Was the signal planting ideas? A private observatory even tried to answer it. NASA's Deep Space Network noticed something stranger. Its gravitational pull pulsed every 47 minutes, as if something inside was moving or unfolding. Natural bodies don't do this. Gravity doesn't pulse unless mass shifts deliberately. Some whispered about technology beyond our understanding. Meanwhile, amateur astronomers went silent. Forums vanished. Researchers resigned. It began to feel like a coordinated blackout. One astrophysicist left a single message before disappearing. It's not that we can't speak. It's that something else already is. Then, as Atlas neared the Sun, an Antarctic station detected a second object mirroring its path on the opposite side of the solar system. They were converging like scissors closing around Earth. The discovery was classified, dismissed as a glitch, but whispers suggested a plan. Leaked simulations hinted that Atlas's waveform could destabilize genes tied to memory and higher cognition, as if designed to reset intelligence. Within its signal, linguists found a repeating symbol. When mapped in 4 dimensions, it mirrored sacred patterns carved into ancient artifacts worldwide. This wasn't new. It was old. It had been here before. Webb team members began reporting fractured memory. Data change. Some swore they had already seen the signal before. Even AI systems monitoring the object started glitching. The signal wasn't just sending information, it was rewriting perception. As Atlas passed Jupiter's orbit, Earth began to shift. Magnetosphere changes, rhythmic tremors, and even a slight tilt adjustment disrupted satellites and confused animals. Gravitational wave detectors confirmed it. Atlas's signal now pulsed through the Earth itself, a rhythm echoing across the planet. This wasn't just a visitor. It was a catalyst, changing reality as it came closer. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.